Okay, so now we can start naming ionic compounds. So given the formula, can you provide the name? And so you write down the two pieces, you write the cation, you write the anion, and then if the cation is a metal that could have more than one possible charge, you have to indicate that charge in parentheses. So just kind of like what we've seen before. So now let's write, just do it by example. Let's see, so zinc nitrate. So how did I come up with that name? I just said the first name right there. This is zinc, right? This is zinc, Z-I-N-C. Get that zinc. And then NO3. This gets a lot easier after you have these memorized. This is nitrate. Nitrate. All right, so that's zinc nitrate. I don't have to put Roman numerals with parentheses or anything because zinc can only ever be +2. So if I kind of like uncross this multiply, see how there's nothing written here after the zinc? That must mean this guy is -1, and this is a +2. So I know that this is zinc +2, right? There's a zinc +2, and nitrate's -1. I just kind of uncross multiply there. So this is zinc nitrate. Zinc is always +2, so I don't have to indicate with Roman numerals what the charge is. But over here, CO is cobalt. And Br is brom. So it's bromine, but when it's in the anion part, it's bromide. Bromide. We changed the name to bromide instead of bromine. This is bromide because it came from the bromide ion. Bromide. So what's the charge on cobalt here? This has got to be 2 because I have 2 bromides. It's aluminum, so I have 2 bromides. So this must have been cobalt 2+, because I know that bromide is -1 and I have 2 of them. Or if you want to see that over here in this picture, I'm trying to figure out the charge here. It has to be +2 because I know the bromide ion is -1 and -1. So I have -1, -1. So this is a -2 charge. So this guy has to be +2. You can also get that just by uncrossing here. So this 2 came from cobalt 2+. There's nothing there, so that must have been bromine. The bromide ion was -1. Li, that's lithium. And instead of chlorine, this is chloride. Now, I don't need to write lithium +1 because remember where lithium is. Lithium is an alkaline earth metal over here. So everybody here is +1. This is all +2. These guys in blue, those are the ones you have to worry about. Silver is always +1, zinc's always +2, aluminum is +3. These guys down here, these can change too, these metals. Nickel's also always +2, but everybody else can pretty much change. So the ones that change, so not the group 1, not the group 2, not 1, 2, or 3. But the other ones, those other metals, can change, so that's when you have to use the parentheses, indicate which one you have. But lithium's a group 1 metal, so I don't have to worry about him. Alright, Ca, that's calcium. And PO4, 3-, that's phosphate. Now, do I need Roman numerals here? Let's go figure out where calcium is. Go back over to the periodic table. Calcium's group 2. No, he's always +2, so I don't have to say calcium parentheses 2. No, calcium's always +2, so I don't have to worry about it. Now, silver. Silver. Now, this is nitrite. Remember how we went from nitrate to nitrite? So this is nitrite. And then what do we know about silver? Silver, if you go back to the periodic table, silver, oh, okay, maybe, but no, this is +1. Silver's always +1, zinc's always +2, aluminum's +3. So remember, +1, +2, +3. Those charges are fixed, so we don't have to call that the silver 1 ion because silver's always 1. So this is just silver nitrate. Mn, that's manganese. Manganese, that's the manganese. And then Cl, that's chloride. Now, why is there a 3 there? Where do you think this 3 came from? Chlorine is -1. This must have come from manganese +3. So manganese +3 is the manganese 3 chloride. So if you go back over to where we see manganese, it's over here. It's not one that has a fixed charge. This is one that changes. So we have to indicate that it's manganese 3. So that's why we put that in parentheses. So again, there's a whole bunch more of these to do as a lab and for homework.